The history is very long. I was the producer of the first ever skid steer loader with servo control in Europe, and the first ever skid steer loader produced in Europe, which was purchased by Komatsu, completely purchased in 1996. Now currently we have 3 models in our production, so we are building up the smaller one, which is the SK820, a radial one with Komatsu engine, an aspirated engine, another 2 models with the same Yamaha engine with turbo engine, that are the SK815 and 820. 815 radial and 820 it's vertical. 820 can reach 950 kilos as operating capacity and can reach even more than 1 ton operating capacity if we increase and if we include the additional counterweight on the side of the machine itself. These are the first 3 models that Komatsu introduced as stage 5. We are developing this machine in Italy in the Este factory. So we have a long tradition, very old engineers that work with the previous generation and still are working to build up the new one. So very long experience, very longer knowledge, and we are really proud of that. It could be customers that are using it in utility job site mainly, so very small job site, on-road job sites. These machines are tool carriers, so can carry a lot of tools, buckets, a sweeper, cold planners, mulchers, so they are very versatile. They have additional hydraulic pipe at the side of the machine, and all our models can be equipped with a superflow option, which can carry out till 100 liters per minute at roughly 200 bar. Due to that, we can carry a lot of attachments and granting the highest hydraulic performance in this size. It's popular in Spain, in France, and it's starting to be popular also in Germany. For example, the best fit for this machine are, of course, the very small job sites, very small places. They can even work inside buildings. There are versions that can work inside buildings for demolition, for example, or inside ships for any kind of use, a lot of use. So their ability is to steer standing in the same place, and they can turn 360 degrees, skidding. That's where it derives the name, and that's the best fit for this machine. So very small places. Very good advantage, for example, the dumping height for our range, that's the highest, so they can manage very high tracked edges with our machines. Then the operating capacity, together with the weight of the machine itself, can carry out a very good compromise and very good match between the operating capacity and the overall weight and the stability of the machine. The position of the engine, which is longitudinal, that makes it to increase the operating capacity and balancing very well the machine when it's loading a weight on the front side. The superflow option, for example, on the smaller model, on the 715, which can be found in our machine and not in one of our most important competitor, for example, so it can carry more attachment than the other can. The rear bonnets are made of steel. You will not find plastics, so it's very robust. The front monitor, so the interaction between the operator and the machine now has been integrated and has been increased by looking to a front monitor, which is the same that we can find in other Komatsu excavator, in other mini excavator. That's the same monitor, so if a customer already owns another Komatsu mini excavator, can purchase this skid steer loader and find the same interface in front of him.